Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong love life ngayong April 2026. So, general reading to. Pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga scammers at fake accounts. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com. Lahat ng information nandun na, o kaya you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section or link in bio. Or you can send me an email, mysticqueenph@gmail.com. Okay. Ang labo. O yung mata ko lang yung malabo. Anyway. Capricorn, let's see your love life. Yung mga interesado sa love life nila. Mga Capricorn, okay? You've outgrown that BS. Oy, na-outgrow nyo na raw yung BS sa relationship. Alam nyo na toxic. Alam nyo na drama-drama lang, emote-emote lang. O yan. So, you may be cutting off a toxic connection. Pwedeng romantic friendship, no? Delete the text, block the number, reclaim your peace. O, diba? Meron kayong tatanggalin na communication sa isang tao. O, this can be anyone, romantic, family, friend, na alam mong puro ka-toxican at ka-bullshitan lang. So, you're going to block this person at you will reclaim your peace. O, magiging tahimik ang life mo. Tama naman, 'di ba? Mas tahimik, mas iba yung magiging focus mo. Okay. You can't manifest while you're miserable. O, ayan. Kung ikaw yung nagmamanifest ng relationship, okay, kung nagmamanifest ka ng relationship, tapos miserable yung buhay mo, hindi mo mamamanifest yan. Kailangan mo munang ayusin yung mindset mo. You have to heal from within. Kasi pag healed ka, mas positive yung energies mo, mas mabilis mag-manifest. Especially if you're manifesting a new person sa buhay mo. Halimbawa, gusto mo na ng romantic partner, pero hindi ka pa makamove on dun sa ex mo. Eh, paano uusad? Diba? King of Pentacles, this is your energy. You're always on top of your game. Some of you kasi Capricorn, pagdating sa relationship, ang priority nyo kasi yung stability. Siyempre, priority nyo stability. Kaya lang, may mga times na hindi stable yung person that you're connecting with. So, yun yung parang reason kaya dumidistansya kayo. And then, you will realize na, focus na nga lang ako sa career, ganon. Your hope and optimism are a powerful love magnet for you now. Diba? O, sabi nga rito, you can't manifest where you're miserable. So you have to change your mindset. Be more optimistic in your relationship if you really want a person to come into your life. Positive. Dapat positive yung inyong pananampalataya. Paniniwala. Alam niyo, marami na-attract sa inyo eh. Okay? Itong 6 of Wands. Kaya lang, medyo choosy talaga kayo. Romantic surprises are on the horizon. O maging open ka daw sa romantic surprises. Be wary of possessive partners. Maintain your individuality. Minsan, Capricorn ang mga possessive. Kasi nga, they want control sa relationship. And minsan, pag masyadong kontrolado, doon na nagkakaproblema. So, hahanap ka talaga ng taong gustong maging submissive sa'yo. Yung magsasubmit sa'yo. Susundin ka. Oo. Doon talaga kayo magkakasundo. Passion. Light up your life by honoring your deepest desire. So, ano ba yung mga gusto mo sa isang relationship? Gusto mo ma-experience? Mm. Eh di doon ka mag-settle. Hindi yung ano, putyo-putyo lang. Just because you want that experience. 'Di ba? Kaya nga iba, mga Capricorn, mataas ang kanilang standards pagdating sa relationship. Stability, loyalty, ayan. Pagiging submissive. Kasi ganun din sila. No? So, hanap ka ng person na mag-a-align sa'yo na you are already passionate about, tapos pati yung deepest desires mo, kaya niyang ibigay. O, 'di ba? I feel like merong surprise sa inyo ngayong April about a new person coming in if you are single. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.